The Jamaica constabulary force has launched a manhunt for 4 illegal Costa Rican aliens on the run in the country.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Detectives assigned to the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch C-TOC are seeking the public's assistance in locating 4 Costa Ricans who are believed to have illegally entered the island in March of 2019. They are 22-year-old Jeison Villalobos Arias, 38-year-old Kristian Antonio Solo Baldivia, 58-year-old Francisco Javier Flores Blackwood, also called Chico, and a man known only as Persio. Baldivia is of brown complexion, brown hair and stout build. Arias is of brown complexion, brown eyes, and he is sporting a low-cut hairstyle. Blackwood is of brown complexion, brown eyes, and slim build. The police said that the men are believed to be in Westmoreland and were last heard from on Thursday, March the 7th. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of these individuals is being asked to contact C-TOC at 876-967-1389, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.